Hello everyone, myself Lakshmi BM. Today I am going to deliver the internship seminar on the domain machine learning with the project Heart Disease Prediction using machine learning techniques under the guidance of Gangadhar sir. Let us see the information of machine learning. Machine learning is a art of enabling the machine to learn the things which are not explicitly programmed. Python is widely used general purpose and high level programming language. It is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate the system more efficiently. Python can be used in Windows, Linux, etc. Features of Python programming language. Python is a very readable language and it is easy to learn. It is a cross-platform and open source programming language, large standard library, and it is free to download. Applications of Python language. Python can also be used in web development, machine learning, data analysis, scripting, game development, desktop application, etc. These are the content of my seminar. Let us see one by one. Introduction. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the worldwide over the past 10 years. In the worldwide, 41% of the deaths are causing just because of heart disease. Several different symptoms are associated with the heart disease, which makes it difficult to diagnose it quicker and better. Based on the symptoms, data given to the machine, we can predict it easier. By this, we can save the life. This issue can be resolved by adopting the machine learning technique. There are many techniques which can adopt to predict the disease. Objectives. Heart disease is the leading cause of the death among all other diseases, even cancer. The many number of the human being facing the heart disease, it is rising every year. Due to the lack of resources in the medical field, the prediction of heart disease occasionally may be a problem. Utilization of suitable technology can support to the prevent and decrease the death rate due to the heart disease because prevention is always better than cure. The machine learning technique can be very well adapted to do the prediction of the heart disease. Methodology. In this, we have to compare the various machine learning methods to predict the disease. The first, the data set is taken as the input and it is then pre-processed by replacing the available value by the column means. The output is the accuracy matrix by the machine learning model. The model can then be used in the prediction. Testing. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides the system the ability to automatically learn and improve from the experience without being explicitly programmed. The algorithm used in the machine learning are as follows. Let us see one by one. Support vector classifier. In the classification, it is a classification method. In this algorithm, we plot each data atom as a point in n-dimensional space, with the value of each feature being the value of the particular coordinate. SVM work by the mapping data to a high dimensional feature space so that data points can be classified. For example, if we only had two features like height and the hair length of an individual, first plot those variables in two-dimensional space where each point has two coordinates. These coordinates are basically known as support vector. After that, find some lines that splits the data between the two differently classified groups of the data as shown in the figure. Decision tree classifier. It is a type of supervisory learning algorithm that is mostly used for classification problems. A decision tree is a simple representation for classifying the example. In this method, the data is continuously split according to a certain parameter. Decision tree may consist of the nodes, branches and the leaf nodes. As shown in the figure, population is classified into different groups based on the multiple attributes to identify if they will play or not. K-neighbor classifier. This method can be used for both classification and regression problem. In both the cases, the input consists of the K closest training example in the feature space. The output depends on whether the K nearest neighbor is used for the classification or regression. In KNN classification, the output is a class member. In KNN regression, the output is the property value of the object. K nearest neighbor is a simple algorithm that stores all the available cases and the classification of new cases by majorly vote of its K neighbors. Random forest classifier. Random forest is a tree-based classification algorithm. For example, if we want to learn about a person of whom you have no information, then it might like to find out about his or her close friends and the circle he moves in and again access his or her information. These are the data sets which we want to use to predict the disease. Here some attributes are mentioned with the particular number. Based on those numbers, we can predict the storage of the disease in a person. Advantages. Early prediction of the heart disease can also be done. The cost of the mediation will be minimized. Accuracy rate will be high performance. Application. It utilizes the data such as the blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes and then tries to predict the possible heart disease in the patients. This may help in taking the preventive measures and hence can try to avoid the possibility of heart disease in patient. So when the patient is predicted as positive for the heart disease, then the medical data for the patient can closely analyzed by the doctor. Conclusion. This analysis of the heart disease patient database with the proper data processing. Then 4 models were trained and tested with the maximum scores as follows. K neighbor classifier as 87%, support vector classifier as 83%, decision tree classifier as 79%, random forest classifier as 84%. K neighbor classifier stored the best score of 87% with the neighbor. Thank you.